Hey. Hi, come in.
Nice to see you.
We are so happy you're here.
Are we expecting people? Can we put curtains on this window? I don't like how they can see into our apartment. This shirt, it's nice. It looks really good on you.
Well, you could tell me that once in a while.
Take them off?
I don't give a fuck if you take your shoes off.
For me, no gluten, no dairy, no meat, no sugar.
There's something I've been wanting to talk to you about.
We also have something we wanted to talk to you about. We feel a very strong connection with you guys.
That is so nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll say thank you, Joe.
Thank you. Very flattering.
You can ring
This is amazing. Take it all back. We should invite more people.
It's like a little game we have.
They're fucking with us.
We really just wanted to see the apartment.
Why do I feel like everyone knows something except for me? Just to be clear. You, her, and me.
Yes.
Me too.
Yes, also you.